This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to set up an abandoned cart email flow in Klaviyo. If you're running an e-commerce business, you know how crucial it is to recover those potential sales that slip away when customers leave items in their carts without completing the purchase. With Klaviyo, you can automate this process and bring those customers back to your store with personalized email reminders. To get started, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Once you're there, look towards the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu bar, and within that, there's a tab labeled Flows. Go ahead and click on it. This is where all the magic happens in Klaviyo when it comes to setting up automated email sequences. Next, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of your screen. There's a blue button that says Create Flow. Click on that button, and you'll be on your way to setting up your new email flow. Now, you'll be presented with a search bar layout. In this search bar, type in the words Abandoned Cart. This will allow you to sift through Klaviyo's templates to find the one that matches exactly what you're looking for. Klaviyo offers a standard abandoned cart template, which is specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with your active e-commerce platform. Whether you're using Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce, there's a template tailored just for you. Find the one that matches your platform and select it. Once you've chosen the appropriate template, it's time to give your new flow a name. Think of something clear and descriptive, something that will make it easy to identify later on. A good example could be Abandoned Cart, Core Multi-Step Sequence. This not only keeps your flows organized, but also lets anyone else working on your team know exactly what this flow is intended to do. After you've named your flow, go ahead and click Create Flow. With that, you've successfully set up the foundational structure of your abandoned cart email flow within Klaviyo. It's quite a straightforward process, but don't underestimate the power of this automation. Done right, it can significantly boost your conversion rates and help you recover lost revenue from those abandoned carts. Now, a couple of tips to make the most out of this setup. Personalize your emails as much as possible. This could mean including the customer's name, highlighting the specific items they left in their cart, or offering a special discount to incentivize them to complete their purchase. A little personalization can go a long way in making your emails feel more genuine and less like automated messages. Also, consider the timing of your emails. You don't want to wait too long to reach out to potential customers, but you also don't want to overwhelm them with too many messages in a short period. Finding the right balance is key. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to set up an abandoned cart email flow in Klaviyo. By following these steps, you're well on your way to improving your e-commerce store's performance and reconnecting with customers who are just a few clicks away from completing their purchase. Happy selling!